It's my February single swag box. Love Yourself is in. Oh, I'm so excited. I did the 6-month subscription for this. I got 40% off. It was right around Christmas time and they were offering a super awesome deal. So I stepped on it and I'm so excited to share with you. It's all covered up, you can't even see it. They want you to post it, which I always do, so. First item. Let's see. Bring it there. There we go. Ooh. Hair oil. Argan. It's a Moroccan oil. Apply a small amount to palms. Massage into damp hair and style. This is perfect because, as you can see, my hair gets really frizzy, especially right now when it's cold and dry. Well, yeah, I think it's dry. In Florida standards, it's dry. That's a nice full-size bottle for this. It's sun protection, it moisturizes, prevents early hair loss. I hope I don't have that problem. Let's see what it smells like. Smells good. Nice little, ooh, let's see if you can see it. Has like mineral oil, argan oil, seed oil, fragrance, chamomile, lots of other things that I can't pronounce. What's that? It's for damp hair though, so I'm not gonna put it in my, it'll end up being greasy. Ooh, Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics. Let's see. Orange plus cherry. Ooh, it's 2 little bottles. Oh, is that for the lips? Lip oil duo. Nice. This I can try on. It doesn't have directions, so I'm guessing it's just a gloss. And I'm much more of a cherry fan than an orange fan. See. Ooh, fun. Let's see. Smells like a cough drop. Let me smell the orange one. Let me see. Very citrusy. Spongel. Okay, so I'm seeing the heart theme for Valentine's Day because it is February. Body wash infused buffer. Cleanse, exfoliate, massage, nourish. You have my heart. Let's see what it is. This is dermatologist tested. Oh. Oh, it's heavy. I guess it's just a sponge that's full of those ingredients. Place sponge under water, squeeze to absorb, massage in a circular motion to cleanse, squeeze out excessive water after use. That's cute. So I got my sponge. Clay, mineral clay beauty mask. Ooh. Cocoa licorice extracts. Oh my goodness, that's wood. A wood cap. That's so unique. There's plastic on the inside, but it's wood on the outside. Ooh, it's brown. Well, I guess it's mineral, so I guess that makes sense. Let's see. Oh yeah, look. The clay mask. I don't know why I just did that. Smells like a mineral clay mask. I'm definitely not gonna put that on now. Ooh, there's a little pink bag. Indigo. Let me hold on. Alright, the indigo. Ooh. Oh, it's jewelry. Alright. little stone. It's different. Little earrings. Oh, I'm curious. Doesn't have more information on it. I might have to give these earrings to someone because my ears are really sensitive. They have to have like pure gold. The necklace is cute. Oh my goodness, that's so adorable. Very cute. And the typical earrings go with the little thing that goes around it. Oh, I love it. So cute. Very delicate. I think last time we got really delicate bracelets. I still haven't worn them. I'm a little nervous to wear them. I break delicate things. Yummy, yummy. What is it? European dark chocolate. Oh my gosh. I love dark chocolate. It is my absolute favorite sweet on the planet. See, it's what percentage of cocoa? They don't tell you. What percentage of cocoa? It's just European chocolate. Mm. I'm gonna thoroughly enjoy that one. Okay. A little thing for my desk, maybe? Let's see what it said. Cheerios, double side. Oh! Look what this says! Get it, girl! This is going on my desk at my office right there. Get it, girl! You need a little cheer me up, a little motivation. That's gonna be perfect right on my desk. Oh my god, that's so clever! That is awesome. All right, final piece, the positive kit. Instant happiness on every page. Ooh. The positive kit is designed to deliver joy, comfort, smiles whenever you need them, brimming with surprising and fun prompts that focus on little things that make us smile. This unique journal is guaranteed to cheer up even the grumpiest person on the gloomiest day. Make a grateful list, compile the perfect playlist, draw yourself a tattoo on paper. List 23 great ways to spend a free hour, write a thank you note to a stranger, grab a pencil, and get happy. Oh, that's so clever. It's a little journal. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. I love getting these boxes because you never know what you're going to get, or I never know what you're going to get. And it's always stuff that you can use. Like, that is so clever. And it's not things that I would ever think of getting. That is perfect. I'm totally putting that on my desk. And then just like treat yourself kind of things that I just never think to get when I'm at the store. And then that's so cute. So I am stoked. I absolutely love my February single swag box. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. I'm Charlotte's Oasis. If you liked my video, please give me a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.